Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the geography multiple choice questions, that is part 8, which are very useful for all competitive examinations, though it has been compiled from the various previous year question papers. So, let us see what exactly it has been given in this slides. Which former Prime Minister of India was also called Yuva Turk? Please remember the word Yuva Turk has been called the former Prime Minister, that is Chandrasekhar. You can see to the right side how exactly he had lived his life between 27 to 2007. He lived up to 80 years. He was the one who had been called as Yuva Turk. He was a former Prime Minister of India. Which mineral is used to make the plaster of Paris? We knew that POP, that is plaster of Paris, which are used used by the medical doctors, that is if there is any breakage of your bone, or which are used in the formation of your interior designing of your house, that is for the terrace, that gypsum is used. So that material consists of gypsum in it. Once you add some water, it gets stiffened. So this is very useful in the breakage of your bone and all. Which is the most spoken language in the world? That is Mandarin, which is also known as Chinese language, that is known as Chinese Mandarin. So maximum people have spoken the languages, that is Chinese Mandarin. Next, after this we have English. Which planet in the solar system is named after the Roman god of agriculture and harvest? That is one thing you have to remember. That is Saturn, which is also known as beautiful planet as well as ring planet. So in our solar system named after the Roman god, that is Saturn. As you can see to the right side how exactly the most spoken languages, that is Chinese, Spanish and English has been given. Now English has overtaken. Next we have, from the constitution of which country was the concept of fundamental rights in the Indian constitution has been taken? We should remember that we have taken the fundamental rights from United Kingdom, and the parliamentary system of government, that is from the United States of America. Emergency provisions have been taken from the Ireland, as well as directive principles of state policy, German. So these are the few things which you have to identify. Next we have, to which ocean does Panama Canal connect the Pacific Ocean? Please remember, whatever the Panama Canal, it is between the Pacific as well as Atlantic Ocean, which is connected by this. So overall you have to remember the Panama Canal is between Atlantic as well as Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, in which Mariana Trench, that is the deepest point you will find in that Pacific Ocean. By what name is Krishna Dvaipayana, author of the epic Mahabharata? So please, Krishna Dvaipayana, that is the author of the epic Mahabharata, better known, that is, we knew that Devanam Priya Mahabharata has been written by Vedavyasa. So please go through whatever the books have been written by Vedavyas in internet. So it has been very important for various examinations. All whoever has written, Tulsidas is famous for what? Ramacharita has been written by Tulsidas. Valmiki is famous for what? He had written Ramayan, Vedavyasa, Mahabharata. So these are the few epics have been written by various authors. In which city is the Central Potato Research Institute, that is CPRI, is located in which place? We should remember Shimla is the place where the Central Potato Research Institute is located. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. There are more than 800 plus question papers have been given. As you can see to the right side how exactly it has been compiled for various competitive examinations. Next we have Bhutia, Kathiawadi, Marwari, Manipuri, Spiti and Janskari are the Indian breeds of which animal? This is one thing you have to remember, that is horse. Here Kathiawari horse you can see here, Marwari horse also you will find here, Janskari, Manipuri, these are the various types of horse you have to remember. They are very important, guys. You may be asked what is exactly the breed of these animals, that is horse. Next we have who introduced the word robot for artificial workers in his science fiction, that is in 1921. Karel Capek, he is the one who had introduced the word robot for the artificial workers, that his name was Karel Capek. In the most popular internet domain name, we knew that .com, like this, the com is the short form for which word, that is commercial. So whatever the .com we use, that is the meaning of the commercial. Please remember this. Next we have the deficiency of which vitamin leads to rickets. This is one thing you have to remember. Rickets is the one which is mainly occurred with the deficiency of vitamin D. This is what we have to remember. Rickets is the one with the deficiency of vitamin D. This vitamin D maximum we occurs from the, it's a natural vitamin which directly comes from the sun. So it is also known as calciferol, that is very important in order to have this rickets. So this rickets, you will find the bow legs as well as softening of bones in your human body. Next we have which freedom fighter was popularly known as Grand Old Man of India. Please remember, Grand Old Man of India, Dadabhai Naoroji is known as Grand Old Man of India. Rest all, Bal means Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Chittaranjan Das Deshbandhu, Rajgopalachari, he was the first and last Governor General for independent India. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? As you can see to the right side, Gujarat has got the longest coastline. After this we have the Andhra Pradesh. Next we have Naxalbari village. This is one thing, the birthplace of Naxalite movement is located in which state? That is located in West Bengal. That is Naxalbari village, the birthplace of Naxalite movement, that is located in West Bengal. Next we have Rupavahini is the national television network of which Asian country? That is Sri Lanka. Please remember, whatever the Rupavahini is the national television network of Sri Lanka. We have on 17th December 1931, who founded the Indian Statistical Institute in Kolkata? That is P.C. Mahalanobis was the one who had founded Indian Statistical Institute, which was set up in Kolkata. As you can see to the right side how exactly the stamp had been made. So on 17th of December 1931 it has been made. Next we have named after Libyan leader Muammar al-Gaddafi, famous test cricket ground Gaddafi Stadium is located in which place? This stadium is located in Lahore, that is located in Pakistan. Next we have which mythological weapon is depicted on the Paramveer Chakra medal? Please remember, whatever the Paramveer Chakra medal to the right side, it has been given what exactly the weapon depicted on it is, that is Vajra. So please remember how exactly the Vajra looks like. This is one thing you have to remember. If you see the Bharat Ratna award, where you will find the leaf of people tree, you will find that Bharat Ratna award depicts. Next we have hydrogen and carbon monoxide. They are the major constituents of which fuel gas? That is water gas. You will find hydrogen along with the hydrogen. Carbon monoxide is also present in the fuel gas. So this is one thing, water gas. Rest all we have LPG, maximum will find butane, CNG, that is compressed natural gas, coal gas is also different. These are the few important questions which are very helpful for all competitive exams, guys. Please go through them. So this is my mobile number 7667302252. You can call me or message me. That is maximum 2100 PDF of GK and GS will be given you for a free of cost. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life. Best of luck for your life, and I want you guys to share it to maximum people.